Ever wonder if your messy sketch can become beautiful digital art? Today I will show you how to turn a simple drawing into soft illustration style using the S Pen. No pro drawing skill required, just get something simple and let AI finish it for you. For this example, we will draw a cute coffee cup with steam. To do so, remove the S Pen to open up the Air Command menu. Then tap Drawing Assist. Tap Sketch to Image icon. Inside the box, draw a simple coffee cup with steam on top. Once you are done drawing, then choose Soft Illustration as the effect. Tap Generate and wait for the result. Once the art appears, tap Download icon to save it to the gallery. And just like that, your simple sketch transforms into soft, smooth illustration art. It's great for sticker, notes, thumbnail, even digital journaling. Thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.